First, five kingdom classification. We'll see what is that. So, in 1969, R.H. Whittaker proposed a system to classify all living organisms into five kingdoms based on their cell structure, mode of nutrition, and level of organization. So, this is the most specific part because all of these classifications are based on these features. So, there are five kingdoms: Monera, also called it as prokaryotes, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. We'll see one by one in detail. When talking about the nutrition requirement of this Monera kingdom, most of the organisms are heterotrophic. It means that they eat another plant or animal for their energy and nutrient requirement. So some of the organisms are autotrophic. It means that they can synthesize their own food. So in heterotrophic, there are two types, sapophytic and parasitic. Sapophytic means that they take, like kind of organisms, they take nutrients from decaying materials or dead materials. Parasitic are the kind of organisms that totally depend on another plant or animal. So when talking about the examples for Monera kingdoms are E. coli, Streptococcus, and Cyanobacteria. So let's move to the next kingdom. The third kingdom is fungi. It's eukaryotic and mostly multicellular, except this is the most important thing. Body usually made up of hyphae forming a mycelium. This is a picture of a mycelium. This is hyphae. It's a kind of a filamentous growth. So, cell wall contains chitin. It does not contain cellulose. Nutrition is mostly heterotrophic. It can be sapophytic or parasitic. What they do is they secrete digestive enzymes onto the food and absorb soluble products. When talking about the reproduction is done by force. It can be sexual or asexual. Penicillium, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, also called it as yeast, and mushroom molds are good example for the fungi kingdom. The fourth kingdom is Plantae. All the cells are eukaryotic, multicellular, with tissues and organs like roots, stems, and leaves. Cells have cellulose cell walls. When talking about the nutrition modes, all the cells are autotrophic because it has chloroplast for the photosynthesis. They can synthesize their own food. The other important thing is store carbohydrate as a starch. Mosses, ferns, conifers, flowering plants are good examples for the Plantae kingdom. The fifth kingdom is Animalia. All the organisms are eukaryotic and multicellular with complex tissues and organ system like respiratory system, digestive system, this kind of things. The specialty is there's no cell walls. Cells are supported by extracellular matrices. The extracellular matrices is normally we called ECM. It's made up of integrin, fibrils, gags, proteoglycan, and etc. Nutrition mode is usually heterotrophic. Normally these organisms eat another plant or animal for their nutrition requirement. They ingest food and digest internally. Usually capable of active movement at some stage of life. What's the meaning of some stage of life? This is not applicable for all the animals. This is applicable for some of the animals like butterfly. We know the butterfly life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Egg, larva, and pupa stages, the butterfly can't move. As an adult, the butterfly can move. This is because of that. When talking about the reproductive strategies, mostly it has sexual reproduction. Sponges, insects, fish, birds, and mammals are good example for the Animalia kingdom.